moon hubcap.
Snapped it.
You're doing very well not to swear, Sam.
Mate, I tell you, there is just no need for profanity when you've got such a joyful job as this. Getting mucked up, but I'm pretty confident this is going to be a beautiful bench top, and it's worth spending the time in order to get it right. Ah. Oh yeah. Yeah. There is no brakes. Crikey's off, pick up the school kids. And we're on the final touches here of the Caravan. So we've had a big day sorting panels out, and now we are going to just give it another wash off. It's much better to wash these down rather than actually blow them off with dust or anything like that. So after the job's done, give it a good clean. Probably end up getting underneath and giving it a degrease and things as well. And yeah, there's the project's done for the day. Big thanks to Steve Jackson of Vintage Restorations Australia for coming over today and giving me a hand, and I'll have to fix him up with something special before he goes. We're going to actually roll the thing over now. This is an exciting part for you guys, I'm sure. So we're going to flip it on camera. Yeah. Okay, mule, can you get over there? Can we have the mule up the front? You ready?
1,
2,
3. You got to lift. Next. Oh, you? Yeah, grab it here. Come back here. This is heavy. Come back here.
We're going to go.
1, 2, 3.
Beautiful. That doesn't look dangerous.
Put something under it, Sam, just in case.
Yeah? What do you reckon?
It's a good frame. This is repairable. I think, you know, something's happened there. Let loose a little bit on your vertical there, and obviously here. This has all been crashed at some point. You can see this is replacement metal being stitched in here. And this is obviously all dinged. This is replacement, and that is not replacement, but it's been pretty knocked out of shape.
Yeah. Well, I think the parts from the Dana van that you gave me will actually sort that out.
Yeah.
And like that back window is going to come in here. I think it's going to work, and I measured it up. It's going to actually fit perfectly.
Yeah. So this has been added, obviously,
Yeah.
when they put that in.
Yeah.
This probably had a window, you know, like little window.
Yeah.
On a 55. So take that out. Your other window off the back will fit in beautifully there.
Yeah, it's going to be cool, eh?
Nice fixed window.
See how
a bit more light.
The concept is that I'll have a window at the front. I want to put a window in here.
Side window.
Yeah, on the front panel.
Yeah.
And then there'll be the two where they are at the back.
You might be confusing people filming this tipped over. Cause
yeah, it's true. It's a bit kind of wonky.
Upside down, Miss Jane.
Anyway, we're getting there though, aren't we?
Yep.
I think, you know, like, yeah, and my goal will be, I'm just going to dedicate my Fridays to this now. So
We owe me a day now.
I do. Actually, come over here. I've got a few things for you. So you never leave Martin Farm without a bit of refuse, folks. And Steve's done a big day for us today. And I've, you know, being a muso and all, and having COVID times, it's a bit hard to part with the cash. So what have I got for you, Steve? I've got a nice double swag. It's 1400 by 1800. You can take it and do what you want to do with it.
Thanks, Sambo.
And the other thing I got is a beautiful little light fitting, trailer fitting, for the back of your Land Rover, because I'm watching your videos, mate, and there's a little nice.
A little hole for that, isn't there?
There's a nice little spot for that one.
Perfect little hole. Good on you, mate. That's a good swap.
Absolutely. Thank you. It's a pleasure having you here, and I hope you're going to come back.
Oh, for sure, mate. I'm enjoying it.
See you, folks.